Hi, my name is Mike and I'd like to welcome you to the Blogstorrent.com web pages, and this is just a quick demo to show you around the site and also how to start your blog, register and all that kind of thing. The first thing that you want to do is look around the site. So if you go down the page, you'll see a load of stuff about Blogstorrent.com, and you come down to recently updated blogs, across to site menu, and in the site menu you've got the home, admin, web blog and a pile of other stuff. But the piece that we're really interested in is sign up. So if you click on sign up, it brings you to this page, which is account sign up. In the account sign up, this is where you choose the name that you want your Blogstorrent to be. So in this case I'm going to choose the name The Joker, and my username and a password. Can be anything you want, but something that you'll remember and nobody else will guess. The security question, well, I'm putting in a duff one here because what is your password? What is my password? It should be my password, shouldn't it? What is my password? So I'm just going to put in here 1 2 3 4 5 6. That isn't my password, but there you go. And MikeX77 at gmail.com, and the verification code here. This is to prevent other people, automated software and all that kind of stuff. Okay, so 164955 in this case. Bring the cursor down a bit, and you've read the terms and conditions. Well, you can click on that and read the terms and conditions. They're pretty standard and easy to understand and all that. So continue, which brings us to this page, create profile. So first name, well, my name is Mike Russon. Display name Mike. Website address, URL. Well, you can fill all this in later on if you want. I'm not going to do it now because okay, so continue. Here we come down to choosing a template. So there are a few templates in this system, and you can choose any one of those. And when you're in the system, you can actually change them to what you want. So because it's a Joker, I think we'll go with cyanide. That looks like a pretty jokey kind of template. Congratulations, your account has been successfully created. Continue. Right, so now we're into my admin sort of area, and let me just make this a tiny bit smaller so that you'll be able to see. Bring this down a bit and stretch that down to there. Right, so here it says, right, my blogs, The Joker, create new blog. Okay, you can pick another name and you have to do the verification code. So if we go back again, we're into The Joker. Okay, now this is where you can add an entry. So I'm just going to add some sort of an entry in here, and I'm just going to put in test for the minute, but I will put something else in later on, humorous stuff, and you'll be able to come back and see that. Okay, so I've just put test. Now in here you have an editor which is the same as what you see, what you get editor. You can include smileys, links, text, change your text, center things, make it bold, choose your font, choose the size of the font, change it into source code, and whatever else you want. Okay, so now we're going to add that entry, and here we have the blog. Now you'll notice on the top as well, if you want to view it, let's view the blog. So this is what it's come out as. Okay, it's untitled and just test at the minute, but you can come back and change this, as I will do later. You can add more entries, entry categories. Excuse me, I had to stop the video then to sneeze. Right, you can send pings, and you can do mobile blogging. View your blog, settings and template. Okay, so that was just a quick roundup of how you can start your blogging. Okay, I hope that helps some. There will be more of these little videos coming along.